It is 2 in the morning. The house is quiet, and your baby is awake again, fussing and chewing on their tiny fingers, trying to find relief. If you are in the middle of the teething stage right now, you know how exhausting and emotional it can feel for both baby and parent. Those little teeth slowly pushing through can turn even the happiest baby into someone who just wants comfort and something to chew. Today I want to share a teething toy that has become one of those small but meaningful helpers during this phase. Before we continue, this video contains affiliate links. If you purchase through the link below, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. Thank you for supporting the channel and allowing me to continue sharing honest experiences with baby products. Teething is not just about discomfort. It is a milestone that signals growth, but getting through it can require patience and the right tools. This teething toy is designed with soft, flexible material and textured surfaces that give babies something satisfying to press their gums against. When babies find that perfect spot to chew, you can almost see their shoulders relax and their focus shift. The shape is easy for small hands to grip, which matters because frustrated babies do not want to keep dropping what they are holding. Instead, they can hold on to it, explore it from different angles, and chew in a way that feels natural to them. Many parents appreciate that it is lightweight enough to carry anywhere, whether you are heading to the park or just moving from room to room. Some families like to place it in the refrigerator briefly, offering a cool surface that can feel especially soothing during tougher moments. What makes this stage challenging is the unpredictability. 1 minute baby is smiling, and the next minute they are searching for relief. Having a familiar teething toy nearby gives them something consistent in a time that feels uncomfortable. As babies grow, they experiment with different grips, discovering which textures feel best and building hand strength along the way. Even though it looks simple, it supports coordination and independence during a very important developmental window. Cleaning is straightforward, which is helpful because teething toys inevitably end up on floors, couches, and car seats. In those quiet moments when baby finally settles, chewing peacefully instead of crying, it can feel like a small victory. And sometimes during this stage, small victories are exactly what we need. If you would like to check the current price or read other parents' experiences, you can find the product link in the description below. I hope this helps make the teething journey just a little bit smoother for you and your little one. Thank thank you for being here, and I will see you in the next video.